Hey, this is Big Mark from B&M Auto Specialist, formerly B&M Electrical. Hot weather is on the way, so call and schedule an AC quick check for your vehicle today. B&M techs will verify correct refrigerant level and correct operation of the AC system. We supply all the parts necessary for any repair, and we do the repairs in our shop. Remember, B&M Auto Specialist, the place to start when your vehicle won't. 710 Navco Drive, Lafayette, Indiana. Visit our website at bmautospecialist.com and like us on Facebook for Big Mark's tips.